Hello and welcome for another video. For this video we have Xbox One controller in very bad shape. The left joystick is completely broken. Also the left vibration motor is disconnected from motherboard. The L button is stuck inside and I can't even press it. The R button sometimes stuck when I press it. As you can see we have power. This is a good sign for the motherboards. As you can see, the plastic from joystick is stuck inside. I use lead solder to lower the melting temperature. Now let's use a solder wick to take off the solder from the holes. Thank you for being here. So if you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you very much. As you can see, the pad from the middle pin destroyed. It was my mistake and I will show you in a little how to fix this. The both pads of the middle pins rip off, so I use jumper wires. Especially one jumper wire starts from the middle pin and goes to capacitor 24. I want to say to you that specific to capacitor 24 to help someone with the same problem. The L button doesn't come back to the right place after I press it. The same for the R button.